Hey everybody, it's Nolan with Premier Automotive Source LLC in Jacksonville, Florida. Just wanted to take a minute to walk around this 2018 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Golden Eagle Edition. Not many of these around. This one has right at 43,000 miles, manual transmission, has a clean one owner Carfax, super clean Jeep inside and out. I encourage you to go to our website, premierautosource.com, and take a look at all the many detailed photos that we have. If you have any questions, you can call me directly at 904-382-7230 or DM me on any of our social media platforms. You can DM me directly. A lot of unique features to the Golden Eagle Edition. It has the steel bumper group, of course the unique decals. The seats are embroidered Golden Eagle. Has these really nice factory side step integrated rock rails. The wheels are unique to the Golden Eagle, the bronze finish. Of course, this one, as you can tell, has the painted Freedom 3-panel hardtop, painted flares. Just all in all, an incredibly nice Jeep. Like I said, you can find us on the web at premierautosource.com or call me directly at 904-382-7230. Look forward to hearing from you soon, and thank you for your interest, and have a great day.